Planview Connect has been an awesome experience for me thus far, being able to be with like-minded people who are using the product in various ways and sharing experiences from each other on how we've been able to be successful. I told my boss this morning, I was super excited. I'm like, I think I've met my people.
It's exciting and it's empowering, and it makes you feel like you're on a journey with a lot of other people too, so looking around and meeting people who are also on the same journey, I think is really, really cool.
So absolutely, it's in Miami as well. I mean, what a great place. The hotel is amazing. The amount of people and connections that you can make and the expertise in the room has been amazing.
I didn't come early enough is what I've learned. I've already walked away with a couple of nuggets that I'm gonna go and implement immediately.
If you're not at Connect at home, you maybe get some slides or you have contact to one account manager, but you do not see how people treat each other, how is the culture in that organization. And there we have seen that the culture is great, and you can feel that. We could feel that here with the Connect. Yeah.